I've talked to clients who have 350 projects running on digitalization, right? It's overwhelming. How do you manage all that? But if you work to whittle that down and understand your top 1 or 2 or 3 priorities, you can then understand what software addresses those exact needs. So it doesn't matter where you start, as long as you're focusing on something that is addressing a critical business need. It's always about business focus. It's the only way you can get cut through so that you're not overwhelmed by the sheer volume of technology available in the market, all of the emerging stuff, and the sheer volume of projects that can weigh down your company if you don't prioritize. The main barriers really to truly digitalizing manufacturing in Britain are twofold. First, cultural, and second, technical. Software is about fast, iterative. It's about imperfect, right? I mean, even in the consumer world, we have, products that we own that are getting patches and, 2.1, 2.2, 3.0 being uploaded and automatically updated, right? It's about launching and iterating. But you've got to be able to launch and iterate quickly so that then you can scale rapidly. And this fast-paced, imperfect culture clashes with the excellent traditional, deliberate, and slower culture of traditional manufacturing. It's about understanding how to build pods of people, cross-functional teams of people within your traditional business, and make sure that you're able to build those proof of concepts inside the business so that you are able to scale and deploy. And it's about bridging those two cultures and bringing them together. So we have a long-standing relationship in GE Digital with Procter & Gamble. We've been working with them with our manufacturing execution software for many, many years. And recently, they've been scaling out with our manufacturing data cloud. This is a really exciting opportunity for them. And they've started by scaling with just a couple of factories, but it's going so well, they're scaling to dozens around the globe. The manufacturing data cloud enables them to take what used to be just information in the factory, one factory at a time, take that through a data pipe into the cloud. They're basically porting all of that into the cloud so that they are lowering their costs, right? So absolutely lowering their data storage costs. They don't need to do so much storage and compute site by site around the globe. B, they're improving their ability to maintain data compliance and regulatory compliance everywhere. And C, very importantly for their overall capabilities, they now have real-time visibility anywhere, anytime in the cloud, and the ability to analyze all that data and benchmark all around the globe.